Hi there, Shivamiji this side. In this, we are going to talk about modern link building for growth. So, in this session, we can understand how the SEO is shifting. So, nowadays, you have to work on content quality, search intent, authority signal. Content quality it means well researched content rather than generic AI content. Meet the search intent of the topic and authority signal. All these things work together. So when decision makers shift, how they build links, how it is relevant, how it is authoritative. So rather than creating a generic backlinks, you have to create a very authoritative and relevant backlinks, which is going to work rather than having just creating a bulk backlinks to rank. So this is the first thing you should focus on. Second is the evolution of backlinks in an AI era. So backlinks originally introduced by Google search engines, right, to understand the potential of the page, like page rank and reasonable surfer for to improve their link evaluation. Now backlink is a type breaker. Why? Because if you see two service pages and one page getting link from trusted publications, obviously they are going to rank higher. So you have to pay the price for the publications and such platforms. Third, the new B2B SEO framework. Modern SEO follow a structured approach where content comes first. So what they are saying is modern SEO framework is about not just the content only. Okay, you have to work on content, you have to work on the on-page optimization, your website speed, then backlink, right? So all this is equally important rather than just become a blogger, right, and publishing a blog and calling yourself as an SEO professional. So these things you have to be taken care of, and businesses must ensure their content fully satisfy user intent before building links. Okay, you can read the example here and you can sign up my business strategy newsletter. So let's discuss next authority link building that still works. So this is a very important aspect of off-page SEO. Rather than going after a list after list of creating a backlinks, you should focus on these platforms like feature.com where you can contribute. For this you need a business mail ID. You can sign up and you can start sharing the insight to the journalist, and when they provide the when they publish, you will get the backlinks. So this is very still working pretty well. It takes time, but it is good to do. Next is context matters more than quantity. The SEO landscape today looks very different from a decade ago. Okay, so context matter more than quantity. It simply means if you're creating bulk backlinks, it will not work. So what the context of the backlink is, where it is coming from, it's more important than having just creating a backlink. So what I'm trying to say, avoid putting backlinks in website footers, which earlier people used to do it. Okay, and avoid creating a very generic content. Try to create a content which you have experience, and try to create a content from the tech expert if you are providing services. So it will provide more context and they can have the ability to put the experience on it. Next is local SEO. See, local SEO still is very important for B2B businesses for specific region they are. So if they are building local backlink citation, they will strengthen their geographic relevance. They get more traffic in their local area. Okay, so very important aspect of SEO which is still working for businesses. And next is near me SEO for high intent traffic. So near me search offers strong intent and conversion potential, right? So you have to understand all the queries which is coming near me locations, and you have to optimize for that. There's a dedication local SEO things happen. So this is the way out. Next is building a scalable link strategy. See, scaling link building required a system. It's not like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months you can do it. It's not practically possible for any one professional to do it in a very highly competitive domain. So you have to build a system where you can generate backlinks consistently, and it include unlinked dimensions. There's a way out you can reach out wherever your brand mention, and you can approach for asking backlinks. Then you have to create a resource pages, embedded tools. It is very common, I would say, but the list is so huge, I would say, in this domain to create a scalable link strategy. Okay. Next is content first, link second. Now the thing is creating a bulk content through AI and just close your eyes and just publishing it, not reviewing it, not understanding the value of it, not able to understand AI is generating enough well researched content or not, or is it a poorly written landing page. Okay, so it is a time consuming process, and it takes time to come up with decent content to get it published through your blogs. So first publish decent content, follow the research part and the recommendation of SEO optimized content, and then think about the creating a link. Next, so the future of SEO is now not just for a blogger in a competitive domain. It is the combination of high-end quality content, relevance, and backlink authority. Okay, and the more you use social media platforms and other platforms uh, for in a trusted stuff like that, in a trusted domains. For example, there are a lot of high-end domains where you can get published about your business and about what services you're offering. So this is very important aspect in SEO. So how you approached 10 years back versus how you're approaching today in day and time is very important to understand. So strategic backlinks, local relevance, high quality content, and I would also recommend you should have some budget in off-page SEO where you can make a real difference. Thank you for this section. We will connect in the next section. You can also read my this article by subscribing Business Strategist. Thank you very much.